just actually just got this from Amazon, and it is a rear cargo shelves for the Bronco. So this is all the pieces right here, and we're just unboxing it right now. We had to remove all of our cargo enclosure here. We removed our cargo enclosure, especially the top, and right now we are removing our side molly system. So we are now installing, what is this, the brace?
Yeah.
Right here. So we removed our side panels and we put our side panels on top of it. We are now installing the other bracket here on the driver's side. So this is the driver's side. It's just actually just 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. And then also here on the passenger side, just 3 bolts too. So first things first, after the side bracket, we're putting this side molly panel thing, and we're using a torque screw. I think it's a T25.
30.
Oh, sorry, T30. But we just hand tightened these bolts here, and it's all of this, and it comes with its own tools, except for the T30 that goes on top of there. So right now everything's just hand tight, and this is how it looks like. So we are now screwing in the bar that connects to the other side, and this is how it looks like so far. So after connecting these bars here, we're now connecting the middle piece. So we connected this piece right here. It really helps a lot with 2 people.
Yeah.
And then now we are gonna connect it here now.
Yeah.
And then here too in the middle. We just almost done completely tightening the bolts.
Yeah.
One problem, we were missing 8 screws.
Yeah, so they missed 8 screws to add in our package.
So
Thankfully we have extra.
yes, thankfully we have extra. So these pieces right here is from us.
Yeah.
So interesting. But hey, it works.
Yep.
And the good news is this is very strong, solid.
I know.
And it could handle up to 300 pounds, right?
Yeah.
This is how our new cargo tray looks like. So we're here at Delicious Food Corner. Ooh, this will be our first time here. I heard this place is a Hong Kong Cantonese style.
Yeah.
So this is going to be interesting. So this is how this Hong Kong Cantonese style restaurant looks like. Le Homa, Gong Hei Fat Toi, and Doje. That's all I know for Cantonese. So we got ourselves the roasted duck, chow,
Like
young chow fried rice,
crispy chicken chow mein.
yeah, crispy chicken chow mein, and
What's this? Hong Kong style ribs.
Hong Kong style ribs. All right, let's do this. Actually just bolts in here on the side where our side panels are.